Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Reflex credit card account using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser to begin. Go to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in Reflex credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. In the search results displayed on the next page, click on this first link that will take you to your creditcardinfo.com. You'll end up in the sign in page. Type in your username in the first text box that appears at the top of the screen and head over to the password field and type in your correct password. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner. If you'd like to activate your credit card, then you can simply click on this button that says Activate My Card and enter your card information on the next page. In case you've forgotten your username or your password and you don't know what to do next, click on Forgot Username or Password link and follow the instructions to look for your username or to reset your password. Finally, after entering your credentials for your Reflex credit card account, click on the Login to My Account button and you'll be logged into your credit card account for Reflex. With a credit card account, you can easily manage your account, check your payments, make transactions, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.